Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop.
Hello everyone, welcome here. Today I'm going to be showing you a Hobby Lobby haul. This is the second time that I went to Hobby Lobby this season, and I picked up some more farmhouse styled Christmas decor. And then at the end, I wanted to show you a few things that I got for my kids. But I have a lot of good things, so if you would like to see what all I got, then please keep watching. Okay, to start with, I really wanted to get some stockings, especially because this year I have an actual fireplace to hang them from. So if you haven't seen my last video, my husband put in a fireplace for us, a gas fireplace, and I needed some stockings for my kids. So I decided I was going to just stick with two for my kids, not for my husband and I. But I thought it would be cute to get some custom like wood names to hang on here, but I don't know yet. I've been seeing some cute ones on Etsy. But how cute are these stockings? I thought they were definitely farmhouse-like with the linen, and I love the black because I accent with a lot of black in our living room. So I think these hanging next to each other on one side of the fireplace will look so nice. Now these stockings were each $9.99 and then 50% off of that. All of their Christmas is 50% off right now, which is such a good deal. The first time I went there, it was only $40, so I was so eager to get back in there whenever they changed it all to 50. Okay, so next, I really wanted to get either a pretty skirt or something for under our tree. And last year I had a really cheap chintzy one from Walmart, and it would always get moved and just pushed aside because my son was always messing with it. Well, I found this at Hobby Lobby, and I've seen people use these for under their trees and they look so nice. And of course I thought the galvanized would look so nice under our tree. It would definitely make it feel more farmhouse-like. This stand is $69.99 and it was 50% off. And next I got an outdoor rug. This was $29.99 before the sale, and it just says Merry Christmas. I also saw that they had the checkered pattern rugs for underneath these there, but I didn't grab it. Now I'm wishing I would have. Right now I have a black and white checkered, which would still look nice, but I may go back and get the red one. Okay, so next I picked up 6 houses, these little ceramic ones, and I picked up, this one doesn't have a light up feature. This one I got for, this was $14.99, but I just put one of these little tea light candles in it, and that will work nice. I love that this house has the glitter on top, so I got that one with glitter, and then this one, which looks like a church maybe. I thought this one was really pretty. I'm planning on decorating my new shelves in our living room with a bunch of houses and bottle brush trees. So I got this one, and this one. They all have the glitter tops. And those ones have the light up feature, but these next ones don't. But I love, love, love how simple they are. They're just very, very simple with just the windows cut out. So I got the large one and then just 2 of the medium-sized ones. And these will be really cute to just put one of those tea light candles in as well to light them of an evening. Okay, so moving on, I wanted to get some bottle brush trees. I already have some from last year, but I wanted to get some more, and I wanted just a green one, and then I wanted this off-white tan one. I just think this color will look really nice with all the linen and accents that I have going on in there. So I got a bunch of these. I ended up getting all of the ones they had in store. Yeah, I got 4 of these because this is all that they had left. These before the sale were $9.99. I love the gold little square that they have underneath the little stand. I think that is a nice little accent. But these, along with those white houses, will just look really nice. I like that there'll be some contrast and it's not all just going to be white and green. So I wanted to add in these for a different type of color. And then with the green one, I did get 4 as well. So just 4 of these medium-sized ones. And these ones were $5.99 each. So these were a little bit cheaper. And they have the light wood stands on the bottom. Okay, so if you have seen my last, I believe I'm going to be posting my tiered tray video before this one. I will be showing in that video how I found this really cute Ray Dunn inspired Believe sign. The time before that, when I went to Hobby Lobby, I had only seen this Mary one. And I was looking for another one to match, like one that said Christmas. But whenever I went this last time, I found this one that says Believe, which is so nice. So now I can use these for tiered trays, and I have matching. So I'm very big on that. I like to keep things even. So I love that I have the Mary and the Believe now. I also showed this garland in that video, and this I got for $9.99 before the sale. And I thought this would look really nice on my coffee bar, my hot cocoa bar, to drape maybe at the top, because I have a few signs that have little miniature pom-poms on them, so this will tie in really well. Next is this basket. Now this isn't technically a Christmas item, so I didn't get 50% off, but I did get to use my 40% off coupon. This was $39.99, so $40 and then 40% off of that. Now I thought this would be really pretty to put on my fireplace, to either put some logs, or I could just put any kind of items like drape a blanket or a Christmas pillow. Which brings me to my next item. I found this really cute Farmhouse Christmas pillow. I love the black. I just think this would look really nice in this basket. It says, "We wish you a Merry Christmas." So maybe just drape it like that. And I just think these will look so good together. I love this. What do you guys think? Okay, so next I wanted to get a couple things for my kids' rooms. And I did mention in my last haul video that I wanted to decorate trees for my kids' room. So I got a traditional green tree for my son, and this was only $7.99, and it's got a nice little stand on the bottom. And so does this one. This one is a white one, but it's got that iridescent look to it, so it kind of has some pinks, which I thought would be perfect for my daughter's pastel bedroom. I picked up this cute little gray quilted skirt. It was only $5.99, and I thought this would look really nice under this tree. And my son's room has gray walls, gray accents, so that will look nice. Now I thought it was so funny when I saw these little truck ornaments at the store, and my son was wanting them. Whenever he saw them, he kept grabbing at them. And I thought, how perfect would it be to decorate his tree in construction trucks? So if you guys don't know, my son is very obsessed with any kind of work trucks. And I just had a construction birthday party for him. And so I thought it would be so sweet to decorate his tree with these. And I got 2 of each, so they only had 2 different kinds. And I thought I could maybe make some of my own as well. But I thought these would look adorable on his tree for his room. And before I show you what I'm going to put on my daughter's tree, I also found this cute little nutcracker for my daughter's room. I like to decorate a couple of her bookshelves with different themed books for the season. So I'm going to pick up some different Christmas ones, and I just thought this would be really pretty to add to her shelf. And it's in the iridescent pink, white colors, so that will look so pretty in her pastel room. Now for my daughter's tree skirt, I found this super adorable pink fuzzy one with gold little accent, little polka dots on it. I thought that would be so pretty. And they definitely had more options for my daughter's tree. Now that I'm thinking about it, I wonder if they had any yellow bulbs or black ones, but I found these pastel pink ones for my daughter, and these were only $3.99 before the sale. I found this pastel nutcracker. That one was so cute, and this matches her colors in her kitchen perfectly. And of course I got some foods to go to match her kitchen, because I'm planning on maybe putting this on her kitchen. But I found this little ice cream cone with sprinkles, and this little pretzel with icing, pink icing and sprinkles. This pretzel with icing and sprinkles in the same pastel pink color. And then I had to get this one too, this really pretty ice cream cone with sprinkles. I just think these ornaments, I already put them on there actually, and it looked beautiful. It's gonna match her room so well. I just think this will be so much fun for the kids to each have their own tree And then I thought it'd be really fun to put little gifts under it leading up to Christmas, to just little stocking stuffers or something under their tree. Okay, so that is everything I picked up for my second trip to Hobby Lobby. I still may go again for a third time. I don't know yet. I've been looking through all of my stuff from last year and just trying to come up with how I'm going to decorate this year. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching and got some ideas if you're looking into buying some Christmas decor. If you guys enjoyed, please hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on any videos from me in the future. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful and blessed day.